Hello friends, in this video we launch SmartCut HD Pro. So we start our video. The first you have find your SmartCut Pro logo launcher. Double click. This launcher has 5 buttons. First is SmartCut Pro, second PromoCut Pro, SP Converter, Proxy Creator, Exit. Exit all known. What is mean? First start our PromoCut Pro, then click start. Now our software is starting loading his themes, projects, effects and many more. So our software is start, then welcome window is appearing. In this window we find 5 options. First, capture. You want to capture your DV, DVC, etc. Then use this. Next is our new project. Second, open project. In this we have opened our previously created project, and the next is batch export, and the last is help. Now we start new. Click on new. Load preset by default AVCSD 1080i 25 2.0. This is by default settings. We can use it. And now start our software. Before we starting our project, we have to location your project, where to save your project. First of all, location, browse. I have created in X drive my folder, projects, and save the name 984. Enter, select folder, and then name is 984. Okay. Now this is our software interface. You can move all where you want to move these. This is blank. I have changes in preview settings. My workspace is changed, so click on view, load default workspace, single window. Okay, my workspace all done. This is our workspace window. This is preview window. Bin. This is bin where we can import our videos. This is video filters. This is transactions. Transaction menu model 6000 transactions and above. AVI, Hindi, English, Buddha. All religious effects are given in the software. God, Christian, Guru Nanak, Hanumanji, Shivaji, Ramji, graphics, frame. You can expand your view and enlarge your thumbnails by clicking there. This is your paste, overlay, paste. Many effect categories here for your use. A to B transaction, 3D, A to B or A to A. On same video use A to A. One video to another video use A to B. AVI filters. wipe, AB, wipe. In next videos, I will teach you how you import video and edit to timeline. This is video filters SFX में auto contrast, basic motion 2, 3, basic motion, blur, radial blur, sketch, soft focus, bubble, chromalance, colors, alpha, brightness, increase, decrease your video brightness, chromalance, color cutting, colorize your video, contrast, hue, saturation, rotation of colors in your video, levels, RGB color, saturation, color increase or decrease in your videos, three-way corrections, cookies cutter, cinematic filters, flares, film effect, cinematic scope, cinematic colors, digital gain, movie colors, old film option, vibration option, VHS, viewfinder, vintage film, many filters, and you can create your category also. Light legs, many more filters to edit your videos. This is timeline, video 1 to 0 audio. In the next video, he can make a video, import video in bin and import in timeline. Thank you friends. How you this video? Please describe in comments, subscribe my channel and push the bell icon. Then you can find notification in your notification window for my next videos. Thank you.